Hey, so welcome to another video. So today I have a portable bathtub I'm going to review for you guys. Here I am unboxing it and taking it out of the packaging. One of the reasons why I got this portable bathtub is because in my house I only have showers, and my kids have always loved bathtubs and just never had the time to, just didn't want to renovate the whole house. So here is the option. So upon unboxing, I have, you see it comes with all these accessories. This is the bag. Let's take it out of the packaging and unfolding the bathtub itself. So the exterior material is kind of like a fabric, a waterproof fabric. Pretty nice. And then the inside is this slippery waterproof material. And note, the bottom is very well padded. Note, there are also 2 drain plugs. So here's my current bathroom. It's only a shower. You see all the kid toys in there because that's how they've been showering. But let's see if this fits. So I'm going to list the dimensions below in the description of the video. But this should fit in my current little shower stall perfectly, and here I am. You just gotta clip the tub to this frame here. And then you just stretch the fabric material over the frame. And note, there are 2 drain holes, so that's one of them. And here I am. It fits perfectly right over my shower drain, so which is going to work perfectly here. And here it is, the final product. And I'm 5'8", and this is me just kind of sitting in there trying to see if I'll fit myself. Surprisingly, it's not too bad. All right. Time to fill it up and make sure it doesn't leak. So far so good. All right, so let's test out the drain plug. And I was just putting my finger over it to feel the water pressure escape. Just the water emptying the bathtub, and it is working. So overall, for a portable bathtub, I think it's a pretty good design, and the quality of it is not bad. I'm pretty sure my kids and whoever else decides to use it will have a great time. Thanks for watching.